We go. In we go. Now we're going in the front door. And here we are. We walked in the front door, and to the left is the bedroom, Helen and Jimbo's, and there's Kaya. And then to the right is the living room. Just like that. Just going to shut the door as it's really humid here. So that was your living room. Go through the archways. And the first thing we hit on the right is the washroom. It's really cool and funky. And to the left is the other part of her bedroom, which is an archway. It's her hallway. And then straight into the kitchen where Helen's is on her computer. And here's the beautiful kitchen. There she is. There she is. Beautiful. And here's the nice, beautiful kitchen that Jimbo built for her.
Maybe if you had DirecTV, you wouldn't sit around staring at
kitchen window. This is a really cool little area. I'm going to turn on the light. Little windows up at the top. Pantry cupboard. And the fridge.
That's why Purina Fit and Trim is specially
with her whole family's all over it.
Including delicious real chicken. To help him
And
maintain
the kitchen and the stove.
So he can make the most of every day.
And we're going, and now you see Helen's is on her computer there. And Jimbo's computer is there, just like you and me, boo. And then along we go. Beautiful stained glass window. TV is an LCD up on top. And there's where your honey's been sleeping. It pulls out into much bigger than that. We just got it closed up right now. And then these are the back French doors.
It's not small business, it's fast business.
Go out the French doors, and what do you find? A beautiful table to sit at, a jacuzzi. It's covered up right now, and the outdoor shower. And as we go along, you can see past the outdoor shower is the laundry room, which isn't lit up, so it's might be hard to see. But this is her right in here where she does her laundry. And it's all outdoorsy. Like so. Okay? It's a hard one to show you. Back around I go. Back through the shower. And back to the yard. So, there's the palm trees. And all Helen's plants that she grows. And a little barbecue over there. And then we're down to the side of the house now. And you come along the side of the house. It's a little messy because the hurricane was here not long ago, and it's like man against nature, and nature's winning. There's their kayak. There's a gecko on the wall right there. Along I go to our plants. They have all these bicycles and case. And then we wrapped right around to the front yard once again. Hope you enjoyed that, boo.